For next question, so for total internal reflection to take place, the angle of incidence I and the reflective index mu of the medium must satisfy the inequality. Again, it's easy and doable questions. Anyone can do this question. So correct answer is what? Okay. So mu should be less than, okay, this basically you can say 1 by mu is less than sin I like this. Okay, so you can keep in your brain or 1 by sin I. Okay, it would be less than, okay, mu. So we are going for next questions. Okay, if a small angle is made of glass, you must be liquid of refractive index 1 and ray of light is made incident on it, then okay, its deviation will be 0. It will suffer total reflection. The emergent ray is bent towards the edge of the prism and the emergent ray is bent over the base of prism. So correct answer will be the emergent ray is bent towards the base of the prism. So if a small angle prism made of a glass immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1 and ray of light is made incident on it, then the emergent ray is bent towards the base of the prism. Again, it's very practical based questions. If you know, you know. So you can attempt such questions based on practical knowledge, practical experiences. You can easily attempt such questions. Next, we are moving for next questions. Consider the following statement A and B and identify the correct choice. So for a given value of angle of incidence, the angle of deviation produced by prism increases with increase of refractive index of the prism. The angle of deviation produced by a prism is independent of the angle of incidence. This. So correct answer is both true. So consider following statement A and B and identify the correct choice. So for a given value of angle of incidence, the angle of deviation produced by prism increases with increasing of refractive index of prism, increasing the refractive index of prism, and angle of deviation produced by thin prism is independent of the angle of incidence. Okay. So again, this is very good question, doable question. So if you know, you know. So you should know all the concepts, then only you can easily attempt these questions. Next, we are moving for the next questions. So array of light incident normally on first face of prism and then emergent ray grazes the second surface. If grazes means what? What's happening? Grazes means just okay, touching the surface, touching the surface. Okay. If A is the angle of prism, then C is the critical angle, then the correct choice is this. So correct answer will be A equals to C. Correct answer will be A equals to C. Next questions we are moving with in the given figure, the angle between reflected ray is equals to. So basically, you can see the incident ray and the reflected ray. So question is asking us the angle between the reflected ray is equals to A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So correct answer is 2A. Correct answer is 2A. So next questions we are moving with an equilateral prism is placed on a horizontal surface. Array PQ is incident on it for minimum deviation. So PQ, QR, and R. So we are talking about okay minimum deviation. So for this QR is horizontal. Again, say don't